No flying, and no magic.
Anybody at all.
I know someone who can help.
If you say your mom, you're fired.
My mom?
Get out!
It was worth it.
I'm at the library where they call me a crook. I never even pay for my library books. I take them from the shelf, and if anyone looks, I say, I'm reading a book, man, I'm reading a book.
Come on to the theater. Hi, diddly-dee. An actor's life for me. A high silk hat and a silver cane. A watch of gold with a diamond chain. Hi, diddly-day. An actor's life is gay. It's great to be a celebrity. An actor's life for me.
But I've been done seen about everything when I see an elephant fly.
What in the world?
Do you like the sound of crunching wood? I do.
My whole life is animals, from morning till night. I pity their plight, but I have no regrets.
Here, boys, take good care of them. Yes, animals are business, a money-making business. I kidnap, buy, and sell them, call their owners up and tell them.
And to do that, I must become a psychoflumicologist!
What's a psycho?
It simply means that I talk to people about their problems, and their problems go away.
Does that mean if I talk about you, you'll go away? What tree? You mean Bloomberg?
No, Fluttershy.
Fluttershy's not a tree, silly.
What's going on?
Rainbow Dash thinks Fluttershy's a tree. I do not think she's a tree. I was
Did you say she was a tree?
No. Well, yes.
Oh, really?
And all the strength of a raging fire.
They all do as I say. No one stands in my way. Everybody here is happy, or I have them slightly altered. I can do as I please. I can change things with ease. Horns or hair or fin or feather. I control the wind and weather. We can rule the world together if you come with me.
What if she exploded? Just exploded? For no reason? Yeah, like...
Boom shakalaka!
See,
This is just the break I need to lose us.
I see the chaos of everyone. Who are we? What can we do? You and I are the same in the way that we have our own styles and we won't change. You're the man with evil and mine's not. There is no way I can lose. Can't hold on much longer. I will never let go. I know it's a one-way track. Tell me now how long this will last. I'm not gonna think this way. Nor will I count on others. Close my eyes and feel it burn. Now I see what I've gotta do. Open your heart, it's gonna be alright.
I like trains.
look out! Here comes...
Tom Scripts. It's fantastic! And it catalogues the amazing journey of a crazy bus. Is the music getting to you yet? It shouldn't. Mozart doesn't have a hand on this man.
Do you know what teachers do to students who don't pass?
You're being transferred to the underground classroom.
Very well. I'll forget Twilight's punishment on one condition.
You must die!
Side of the rainbow.
makes me want to...
Yes?
Volunteer at the soup kitchen. Come, Gunny! There's hungry mouths to feed.